Hello everybody, this is Locks. Welcome to my channel and welcome to another vlog. Today's lock is this closed shackle YALE. So I've just opened this one out of the packet. I have just picked it. It's, if you can see there, it says it's a 5 security, which really don't really mean a lot, I don't think. But let's see how it picks. Slap it in the vise. So it's quite a small keyway, as you can see. So this is a 32 thou pry bar, and it just about gets it. A bit of a snug fit. There we go. So I'm using the number 4 hook from the Reaper set, and the pry bar is also from the McNally Reaper set, possibly my favourite set. It's my most used set anyway. Nice click there. Pin 4 or 5. What I'm doing sometimes, I'll try and get a few pins set, and then I'll get to the back. Get on the back pin. And I was going to start dragging back from there, but I didn't have to. I'll get to the back pin and get that open. So, nice little pick, to be fair. It was just a little bit, the pins felt really quite springy, so I was struggling to find the binding pin, but we got there at the end. But yeah, nice little lock actually. It was on sale on Amazon, so I don't think it's about £8. It's normally about 15 or something like that. So yeah, nice little lock, another YALE to the collection. I do love a YALE. So that is it from me today. Hope everyone enjoyed that one. See you later.